Hey traders. So this is another live trading video. It's been a while since the last one, and they seem fairly popular, so I'll probably do one every couple weeks. So in the last one, a lot of people noticed and commented and emailed me and said this is a very interesting style of trading, but I see your bot takes many trades throughout the day, and either I'm at a broker instead of a prop firm, so I pay a higher commission, or my broker is a little bit slower and I don't think he'd be able to manage that, or I work all day and I just wouldn't be comfortable with my bot trading, 20, 30, 40 trades throughout the day. He said, so the question was, is it possible to build profitable strategies that trade less often? And yes, one of the benefits of trade ideas is that you can build in whatever strategies you like and then test to see whether they're profitable. So, there'll be some that are profitable for longer term holds, shorter term holds, fade trades, that type of thing. So to kind of prove that, what I did is I reduced a bunch of the strategies for one day, and instead of it trading 14 strategies, it's trading 4 strategies. So you'll see throughout the day, it's trading these 4 strategies. They're all essentially fade strategies, and that's just because those were the 4 that back tested the best, and they work the best in this current volatile market environment. So, the question is, okay, the pros and cons of many trades versus not as many. And the more trades that you have in a strategy, the closer you're going to get to your back-tested results quicker. Whereas the longer one, you're going to have a little bit more daily P&L volatility. But again, you should always it should get to your back-tested result from there. So yes, you can do either way. Again, the easy part is the back testing and the putting it into trade ideas. I get a lot of questions about whether or not I can program. No, I've never. I played with HTML when I was like 14, and I haven't programmed since. So none of this involves any sort of computer programming at all. It's all drag and drop and putting numbers into trade ideas and clicking back testing, which is great. And so what I did for today is I just took out the strategies that are working the best, and I just ran those to see what would happen. So we should get about 5 trades, I believe, today, with about 360 in profit. So trading 200 shares at a time, which is a very kind of reasonable way for somebody who is working all day. And they're just checking up. What I do is when I'm out, I just remote access into my desktop at home here with my phone and check that everything's going okay. So if you were working full time, this would be a decent way to do that. So again, my email will be linked below, and that's where you can reach me to talk about this consulting or mentoring service I do, where I kind of help people build their own bots. Which is gaining in popularity. A lot of people with full-time jobs, or a lot of people who are tired of watching every tick of the market is interesting. Also down below is going to be the link for the trade ideas bundle. As of recording this video, it's going to change in the next couple days. So if you see this within a couple days of it coming up, it will change. If you see it a year from now, the link below, I'll just update it to whatever the current best deal I can get for us is out there. So the day's rounding off. I don't think it takes any more trades today. Again, you can see this is just a much more reasonable way if you didn't want your bot to trade hyperactive, if you want him to be kind of more chill. Again, 5 trades, $360 in profit. But again, with the less trades, you're going to get a little bit more price volatility. You're going to have really, really good days. You're going to have not so good days, but where if you trade smaller with more frequency, you'll reach the same result in the end. It will just be a little bit less volatile way to get there. So I hope that answers the question of, can you trade less strategies and get a good result? You can kind of do whatever you want as long as the numbers are on your side and as long as you have that edge. So Until I talk to you guys next, trade safe.